In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Zealsound microphone with iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to properly connect and use your Zealsound microphone with your iPhone. This should work with most iPhone models and regardless of the type of microphone that you have. First, I'm gonna cover the most common type, and then I'm going to cover the XLR microphone type. So first, if you have the standard Zealsound microphone with an USB connection, this is going to be extremely simple. So check the connection. Most Zealsound's microphone for iPhone compatibility will come with a USB cable. This USB cable will have a lightning adapter on one end for iPhone and a USB-A connector on the other. So all that you have to do is use this adapter to be able to connect it to your respective iPhone model. So on the USB-A end of the microphone, which should be the default cable, just include the compatibility adapter. Now plug it in. Connect the lightning adapter and the end of the cable to your iPhone's charging port. Immediately upon plugging it in, you should be good to go. Now keep in mind that since iPhones do not have native USB audio support, the microphone might not work right away with all applications. So check the app settings and you will be able to see if it detected any external microphones. Some recording applications or video conferencing apps may have this functionality and they will ask you if you want to use the external microphone instead of the default one. Now, if you have an XLR microphone, this will require an additional piece of equipment called an audio interface to work with iPhones. So make sure that you plug the audio interface first that has both the XLR input and the lightning connector. And as long as you use the audio interface to connect both devices, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Zealsound microphone with iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.